Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to teach you how to do is take the front fender off. I'm actually going to be teaching everybody how to take all the fairings off. So this one's going to be just a real quick, easy one. We're going to remove the front fender and we're going to replace it. So if it was damaged on your bike, you needed to replace it, this is how you do it. So let's come up, we'll drop our camera down so we're in a better position to show you what we're going to do. You're not going to need any crazy specialty tools, just a 12 mil wrench and a number 5 Allen key. So, the Allen keys are easy. They're just right here. And you just have to take them out. There's one on each side. Now the reflector, if you turn the reflector off, you'll notice behind that, the reflector actually goes into a bolt. That's a bolt right there, and that's a 12 mil. So I'm gonna go to the other side. I might as well take out my number 5 on this side. Again, I'm just going to unscrew my reflector. Okay. Now to remove this bolt, like I said, it's just a 12 mil wrench. This is actually a mounting bolt as well. Okay, just unscrew that like that. Put that down on that side, and then we'll take it out this side. Then your fender should just slip right off, just like that. So I'm going to put this one back on, but while it's off, I'm going to wipe all this dust off it. Nice. All right. That's all the way done. So now just when you reinstall this, all you do, slide it back like this again. Just right there. Then you can go ahead and start your bigger bolt on the top. On each side. I'm going to leave that out about finger tight like that. I'm going to put my other one on the other side. There we go. Now, while those are just finger tight in there, I can go ahead and put my other 2 bolts in. Those you can just tighten up because the other one is already loose. Okay. Now those are tightened up. You just have to tighten these up the rest of the way. And again, don't tighten, just tighten till you feel it start to get snug, and then stop. You don't want to keep tightening until you hear something crack. And that's enough right there. And then you just take your reflector, put it back on. And there we go. We'll tighten up this other side, and that's it. Again, just till it's snug. You don't want to crack nothing. And this goes anytime you work with a fairing or a fender. You don't want to snap the plastic. It's very brittle. There we go. And there's our reflector. And that's it. And that's how you install or remove and install the front fender on the X22GT 250. Like and subscribe, guys.